Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read you a story today. The story is called Hooray for Construction Workers, and the author is Kurt Waldendorf. Here we go. Builders. Construction workers have many different jobs. They work together to build things. Workers build the roads we drive on. They make the buildings we live in. What else do you think construction workers build? Some workers make things out of wood. They use saws and drills. They make walls and cabinets. Other workers build with metal. They weld steel. Steel holds up tall buildings in cities. Plumbers add pipes. Pipes move water. The plumber uses a wrench to connect the pipes. Other workers work with electricity. They put wires into the buildings. Wires connect the lights to electricity. What else do you think needs electricity in the buildings? Workers often work outside. They work in the heat and they even work in the snow. Workers wear helmets and gloves. They keep workers safe. They also wear tool belts. Tool belts carry their supplies. Why do construction workers wear tool belts? Construction workers also take down old buildings. They help our community. Here are some construction worker tools: gloves, helmet, tool belt, drill, saw, wrench. The end. I hope you guys enjoy that story about the construction workers.